Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club. Today we are here at Lahore Expo Center, Lahore, Pakistan. DPS World Pakistan is the expo and the organizer is FACT, 9th International Digital Printing and Signage Exhibition. Global CEO Club is a big forum, big platform for the business community to have alliances, to have partnerships, to have JVs, to have investments for the mega projects across the globe. Global CEO Club is scattered all over the world and facilitating business community to promote, to grow their businesses. Global CEO Club is present in every country of the world for the growth, for the expansion of businesses. I invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club if you people are seeking international as well as national business growth. Thank you. Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club, a private limited company registered in Pakistan. The headquarter of Global CEO Club is based in USA. Today we are here at Lahore Expo Center. This digital printing expo is being organized by FACT. Mr. Tahir Amin Bhatt from Vibrant Digital Solutions is with us. I request Mr. Tahir, please share about your brand, about your company with the audience of Global CEO Club.
Vibrant Digital Solutions always try to introduce a very high professional machinery and very creativity in which machines we always try to introduce this kind of machine in Pakistan, and we are the leading importer of these kind of machines. So that is why Vibrant Digital Solutions have a well known in Pakistan. We always try, we introduce the most advanced technology in Pakistan. We have a lot of dealership from Chinese leading companies such as Funsun, Senior, Titan, Lidio, Lidi, all kinds of the Chinese leading company. We are the sole distributor in Pakistan.
Wonderful. You people are doing excellent job. Keep it up and grow everywhere in the world. I invite you people join hands with Global CEO Club. If you people are seeking international as well as national business growth, Global CEO Club from time to time organizing different business and investment summits across the globe, as well as Global CEO Club is itself along with its partners organizing expos all over the world.
First of all, we would like to appreciate for your achievements, and always we appreciate such kind of platform who provides us the platform for Pakistan markets and such as other countries. So we are warmly welcome and thankful to your company. You have introduced to our company because for Pakistani community, business community, we always one step ahead due to our latest and creative technology. So once again, I am thankful to you.
Thank you, Mr. Tahir. Global CEO Club is present in every country of the world. Global CEO Club has very diversified business segments to support business community across the globe. If you people seek investment, Global CEO Club would be happy to support you people to arrange investments for the mega projects, not only in Pakistan but worldwide. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful event. Have a blessed event. Thank you.
So
sir.
nice of you.
Thank you, sir.